Yeah, still Sunday, 5th, 6th, 7th of November. I need to look at my phone, I guess. Been washing on the floor. I've got a horizontal surface rotary scrubber at the house that plugs into the end of the pressure washer nozzle. My house is 9 minutes from here. So when I come back tomorrow, I'll probably bring it, do a better job of scrubbing the floor. But, like I said, this was a dog kennel. These troughs on the floor was to rinse out the kennel and get rid of the waste product from the dogs. And this thing's got a huge sewer system strictly because of that. Come over here. There's the manhole under my trailer right now. Plan is all this external kennel's coming off. I gotta clean out this trough too. There's another drain right there, and I'll give you a nice sized pad over here. And in here, like I said, I'm going to keep the drains active. And I got another one over here, and block these troughs right here, and then going back full length of the trough, throw in some rebar and some anchor points so it don't float, and concrete these things in, make a nice smooth surface. This slab is not level and I'm not going to float it. And then over here, all these are the remnants of the posts for the internal portion of the kennel, and they were cut as best they could be cut, but they all stick up anywhere from 1/4 inch to 3/8. Wonderful trip hazard. And I got my big 7-inch grinder, and I see if I can try to grind these things somewhat flush and fill the holes in with concrete while I'm pouring concrete. That's the plan. But floor is cleaning up pretty dang nice, to tell you the truth. There wasn't much on it. You know, all the oil that was on it had been soaked up with oil dry. It's just a remnant. And what am I going to do in here? Glad you asked. The old manual lathes and mills are dirt cheap because all the youngsters need to have CNC to be what they call a machinist. So I can probably, this building has 3-phase power. So I'm thinking when I get everything opened up, and like these water lines coming up out of the slab, get those things closed and mortared over. Might buy me a decent sized mill and a nice little lathe, a real good bedded drill press, and do a little machine work. Part of my personal property up in the factory is a Miller Bobcat gas powered welder, and I'm probably going to mount it on a trailer so I can move it between here and the farm. Looking at this heating unit, looks kind of heavy, and I want this thing down. It's disconnected, it's shot. There is no life left in that heater, and I want to get it down without killing myself, because it's going to swing hard when I unbolt it or cut the studs holding it up. Thinking strap it up there with a little, you know, these 1-inch straps, call it sacrificial. When I get the bolts either cut or the nuts off, so it will free fall, step back and cut the strap, because it's going from this building right over to that blue trailer, and go into the scrap bin. That's my plan. And I got some 2x4s I gotta take down and recover up there. I did get my old safe from my office into this little building. I told Gerda I'll basically do a restoration on it externally. It's a 1928 model safe, and it still has the original 1928 carpet in the bottom of it. And I'm thinking a little sanding, a little filler, and some high gloss paint. It'll turn out real nice. That's my thought. But I got all my stuff ready, I think. Whenever you're doing jobs like this, there's always something else you need. And thankfully, like I said, my house is not even a 15-minute round trip. If I have to go to the farm to get something, it's 38 miles each way. I made that trip 3 times yesterday, and it was a day getting those tractors up there. And they're up there and secure, so life is good. So, that's about the last one for today. I'm pretty well tired. Got that wall down. Been looking at that thing for, I don't know how many years. I forgot. But it's finally down. Looks nice. That's all for this one. Thank you.